Today I'm going to talk to you about retirement solutions. This might take a little long because it's got a conversation kind of a format. So we have some 42 mutual funds, 14 insurance companies, an NPS, a PPF, and can you believe we don't have a single retirement solution in this country? Everybody thinks that their product is the retirement solution, but there is no single retirement solution. And there is no platform for an IFA to say this is your retirement solution. Let us say three people walk into an IFA's office, or an IFA has three clients, and he has to create a retirement solution for all the three of them. One is a 23-year-old who is evolved enough to realize that he needs a retirement solution, a 35-year-old who wants a retirement solution, and a 55-year-old who wants a retirement solution. Fairly obvious that not all of them can be the same plan which is offered to all of them, right? So what does the IFA need from the fund house? He needs very simple stuff. He needs products, right? He does not want solutions from the fund house because the fund house is not capable of creating a solution, because they are a mass producer. It is the IFA who has to create the solution. So a fund house has to create products, manage the products. It is the IFA who has to create the solution. Now come to the problem of the IFA. If the IFA does create a solution, he has no platform in which to deliver this to the client. So suppose he, for the 23-year-old, he says put money in one large cap fund and one multi cap fund and one small cap fund. He's got no debt, but he picks up these three funds from three different houses. There is no one package in which he can deliver it to the client. So the client has to be told, this fund, this fund, this fund is your retirement solution. And after 10-15 years, maybe he reduces some small cap and increases mid cap, or reduces mid cap and increases small cap, something that he wants to do. And suppose he wants to drop one fund and bring another fund into it. How does he do it? Again, no capture, so nothing is available. There is no solution available in the market which your client can get it from the IFA. Now, typically in the US, what he would have done is gone and bought a target date fund. So this guy is, let's say in 2020, he is 30 years of age, he wants to retire at 60, so he will go and buy a 2050 target date fund, where the fund manager will decide on the asset allocation. Like today, he may be 99% in equity and 1% in debt, and every year he might sell off 1% of the equity and get into debt. Or he may decide the year when he gets a number far higher than the average, he will shift amount of money to debt. I don't have to bother, as an IFA doesn't have to bother, the client doesn't have to bother, because the fund manager is doing it. In India, such a solution is not available, and if a solution can be created by the IFA, then he does not have a platform in which to deliver it. These are the issues which face a IFA. Nobody has thought that they need to come out with a solution. There is no retirement solution. Or even if there is a retirement solution, every fund house believes that they have enough of retirement solutions, so just buy XYZ retirement solution and your life is done. That's not true. I may want a various range of combinations of debt and equity. I may want to put a credit risk fund for a 23-year-old, and I may not want to put that in the fund of a 65-year-old, right? So I may want to do some of those things. I may want to tweak it a little here and there. That's not going to be possible today, because it's not available in one place where it can be shown. Everybody comes and talks about, we are coming out with a retirement plan kind of stuff, which is just a way to say that there is that vacancy created by SEBI, in the sense that SEBI has said so many classifications can be done. There is one thing called pension where we are not there, so we must enter that. That's the only thing. There is no commitment to the pension word or to the retirement fund. If it is there, then they have to come out with a format in which I should be able to capture the, say, a large cap from HDFC, a mid cap from ICICI, and a small cap from Mirae. Maybe I want it that way. Then I may want to include a debt fund from IDFC. I may want all this kind of combination in a platform where the client can just click and see what is his retirement solution. Sadly, such a situation, such a solution is not available, not for the IFA. It may be available for for an IFA working under a big umbrella, maybe available for an RM working in a bank, but not available for the independent IFA who is willing to pay a fee for somebody to create these tools, right? And when a 30-year-old maybe needs about 13-14 crores and is willing to invest aggressively, so you may have to give him a credit risk fund, you may give him a small cap fund, you may give him a mid cap fund, and you will also explain that, look, this can have a liquidity problem. It is possible that, for some time there is no liquidity, you don't feel like selling, markets are down 40%, you don't feel like selling, right? So those kind of things, pre-warn the client, but still you have to create the solution yourself. So what all should it contain? The solution should contain the client's name, client's objective, the client understanding that I invested this in 2016 to be withdrawn in 2036. So if there is a COVID problem in 2020, I have to just live through it. I don't need to react at all because I still have another 16, 17 years to go, right? So when you talk to somebody saying you require 15 crores, 18 crores, and you're now just 22 years of age or 30 years of age, first is complete disbelief, saying, oh my God, no. Then they want higher rates, saying, why can't I get 18% in equity? Why can't I get 15%? That time my father got, my grandfather got. That doesn't matter. You take a conservative number and you say, I think I'll get 8% or 9% in equity, maybe 10% in equity, and you plan accordingly. If you get more in equity, that is great. You may be able to retire maybe a year earlier or 6 months earlier. That's a different thing. But right, you need to plan assuming that you will live pretty long and the yields on agriculture, etc., or whatever on the whole economy will be lower, and therefore the return on your equity will be lower, right? You need to plan for all this. And if your client thinks he can get 18% because the whole service industry is doing very well, etc., etc., you need to remember that the agricultural yield, industry yield, service yield, plus a small premium because it's a well-managed portfolio is exactly what you can target. So you target 12% in equity, 11% in equity, it makes sense. If you get more, great, you're lucky. If you get less, be prepared to pump in more money, right? But the solution should be visible to a client in one place. It's not visible. The IFA has to create the solution himself and make sure you mail it to him or create the solution in your own website so that the client can come and have a look at it whenever he wants. Thank you.